What's up everybody and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys a DIY on Starbucks Dragon Fruit Mango Refresher. So let's just jump straight into the video. First, let's start out with all our ingredients. I'm using a fresh dragon fruit, a fresh mango, and lemonade. Most recipes use a mango puree or syrup, but I chose to use a fresh mango because I had several fresh mangoes at home and I thought it would give the drink a more refreshing flavor. So now I'm going to start slicing the dragon fruit. One thing I learned about this exotic fruit is it was hard for me to determine whether or not the dragon fruit was going to be purple or white. And as you can see, this is a white dragon fruit. And so I'm just going to continue to slice and then peel back the skin. It was fairly easy to slice and peel to get the flesh of the fruit out of the skin. So I'll just continue to do that. Now that the dragon fruit is peeled and sliced, I'm going to start peeling and slicing the mango. The mangoes that I had at home were really ripe, so these should be full of juice and really sweet. I prefer to use fresh ingredients whenever I can. It's healthier and adds much more flavor. So now that I have the mango peel, I'm just going to slice it. I really don't have any type of method to slicing the mango. I just try to get as close as I can to the pit and get as much of the fruit off that I can and as much juice as I can get into the bowl. Now all my fruit is peeled and sliced and ready for the next step. Now I'm going to dice the dragon fruit. And as I said earlier, there are two types of dragon fruit, white and purple. I was unsuccessful, however, in picking a fresh purple dragon fruit. So I picked up a bag of frozen dragon fruit. The frozen dragon fruit will give the refresher its signature purple color as well as add as a sweetener to the fresh dragon fruit that I have. So now I'm going to mash the dragon fruit and the mango in a bowl. The dragon fruit and the mango both are fairly soft and easy for me to mash into the bowl without having to use a blender to puree it. I also prefer to have bits of the fruit in the drink. It gives it more refreshing flavor. Now I'm adding 2 cups of store-bought lemonade and adding it to a pitcher. I chose to use store-bought lemonade rather than fresh lemonade because fresh lemonade tend to have a bitterness to it that I didn't want in this particular drink. After adding the lemonade, I'm going to go ahead and add my mango and my dragon fruit. I give it a good whisk to mix all the fruit in with the lemonade. Then I add my frozen dragon fruit. I'm adding about a cup of frozen dragon fruit, and as I stir, you begin to see the refresher take on its purple color. I then add about 1/3 cup of sugar and then continue to stir. To double the serving sizes in my pitcher, I repeat the same steps of mashing the dragon fruit and the mango, adding 2 more cups of lemonade and 1/3 cup of sugar to my pitcher. And I give it one good last whisk to make sure all of my ingredients are blended well together. And now I'm ready to serve. I'm going to add a couple of pieces of frozen dragon fruit to my cup just for garnishment. And then I'm going to pour my refresher. And here you have it, my take on Starbucks Dragon Fruit Mango Refresher. It only took a couple of ingredients, a little bit of time, and I have a refreshing, tasty drink just as good as if I bought it in Starbucks myself. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and that notification bell so you can get all of my updated videos. See you guys next time.